Hey guys, welcome back to the Reds channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ke'Bryan Hayes 2026 Cincinnati Reds SGA Bobblehead. Second stadium giveaway bobblehead this year. Ke'Bryan Hayes Gold Glove Bobblehead. Looking sick, looking clean. Let's dive on into it, check it out. Super happy to add this one to the collection. Obviously. Always love our stadium giveaways. Start up here. Get this out here. Check it out. Alright. Here it is, 2026 Ke'Bryan Hayes Gold Glove Award winner. Gold Glove SGA bobble. Let's go. Looking sick, looking clean. Super hyped on it. Another great addition to the collection. There it is, 2026 Ke'Bryan Hayes SGA Gold Glove bobblehead. Got the shades on, gold glove in his hand. And the white Reds home uniform, looking good, looking clean. Another great addition to the collection. Super hyped on it. Let's go. This is the second SGA this year. Stadium giveaway bobblehead. Next up, we got Spencer Steer next weekend, so can't wait for that. Get that one for sure, obviously. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, check out the next one here soon, and go Reds.